Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of your vehicle. Today, we're looking at a 2020 F-150 XLT in Oxford White, grey cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, 2 regular, 2 smaller, with a 6.5-foot box. This has a 5-liter V8 engine. It's a 4x4. It also has a Class 4 trailer tow hitch, as well as an integrated trailer brake controller and backup camera. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. Your electronic parking brake is located here, lighting controls, and your steering wheel can tilt and telescope. With the aid of your grab handle, it's easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and as well there's a menu that we can toggle through. So I'm just going to get in there for you. I'm going to get to the top. Trip 1, Trip 2, fuel economy, driver assist, settings, and these all have submenus. Your automatic select shifter has drive mode at the end. You just press the button. It'll go normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. In the center there's a little cubby. You also have your traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time, and there's our display screen coming up. You can press on audio. It'll give us our options for the audio choices: AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. And then you can go into your settings and slide through that for different options: automatic updates, Wi-Fi, Ford Pass Connect, and so forth. And when we put our vehicle in reverse, this is where we're going to see our backup camera view. And there you go. I'm just going to put this back into park. Volume and tuner. Down below there's your fan, front defrost, AC and max AC. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential and integrated trailer brake controller. And in the center there, you've got a couple of USB as well as a 12 volt. There's a little bin as well. In the center we have a couple of cup holders. Your armrest opens up, more storage there. Flip it up for another seating position. There's the seat belt. Underneath, unclip, and you've got more storage underneath. 12 volt, and off to the side is your glove compartment. Up above, manually dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls. There you go. Sunglass holder. And in the body there's a grab handle, and that just makes it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, black door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Just below the handle is your backup camera. You also have a 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open it all up, simply put your hand in the latch for the tailgate, and you've got tie downs in all 4 corners, and quite a generous size box at 6.5 feet. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. The nice thing about these back doors is they open 170 degrees, so if you have a bigger item to get in the back, it's easy to do. You've got seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Simply pull the tab and then lift the seat up. That gives you more room on the floor. Pull the tab again, and down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. There's carpeted mats on the floor and slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center, you've got a couple of cup holders and a 12 volt. Up above, hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a big window. Chrome bumper, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.